Here's a balanced, hormone-supportive diet plan specifically designed for women with PCOS. It's structured to balance blood sugar, reduce inflammation, support insulin sensitivity, encourage sustainable weight loss, improve hormonal harmony. Suggested diet for PCOS, daily structure, morning routine. Start with a glass of warm water plus lemon or apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon in water. Add a scoop of inositol or spearmint tea for hormone support, optional. Breakfast, aim for high protein plus fiber plus healthy fat. Examples: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, berries and cinnamon, overnight oats with almond butter and flax seeds. Avoid white toast, sugary cereals, pastries, fruit juice. Lunch, go for low GI, balanced bowls. Examples: grilled chicken or tofu bowl with quinoa, roasted veggies and tahini drizzle, lentil salad with olive oil, cucumber, and pumpkin seeds. Mediterranean plate: hummus, mixed greens, olives, and grilled fish. Avoid white rice, white bread, creamy dressings, soda snack, optional. Examples: handful of almonds plus 1 boiled egg, celery sticks with nut butter, protein smoothie with spinach, berries and flaxseed. Avoid chips, sweetened protein bars, sugary fruit yogurts. Dinner, keep it light but nutrient-dense. Examples: grilled salmon with broccoli and sweet potato, zucchini noodles with lean turkey meatballs, stir-fry with tofu, bok choy, and brown rice. Avoid deep-fried foods, heavy carbs at night. Evening wind down, herbal tea, spearmint, chamomile. Magnesium-rich snack if needed, banana with almond butter or a few pumpkin seeds.